Hello my dear students. So 9th class mathematics exercise 1.3, in that main question number 6. Question is that look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of p divided by q, where q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations or expansions. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? Okay, here is question here asking is that no common factor other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations. Okay, the value of q must be satisfied when it becomes the terminating decimal expansions. Okay, on what basis? Here p divided by q, this is the given form of rational number. The q must be satisfied for terminating decimal expansion that 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and so on. So q must be satisfied here. Only the value of q is like 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and so on. Here just check it out. Here 2 means 2 raised to 1, 4 means 2 raised to 2, just 5 means 5 raised to 1, 8 means 2 raised to 3, 10 means it is 2 into 5 raised to 1 and so on. Here terminating decimal expansion comes only when the denominator part, it means the value of q must be the power of 2's or the power of 5 or the power of both the numbers 2 and 5. Okay, just remember here, the q must be satisfied for terminating decimal expansion. Only when it is possible, the q must be the power of 2 or power of 5 or power of both. Both means here 2 as well as 5. Okay, let me check here examples. Example number 1, 9 divided by 4. Okay, just this is example, and here in rough work 9 divided with the help of 4. So it is 4 2s are 8, remainder 1, decimal point, it becomes 10. Next 4 2s are 8 once again, so here remainder is 2, it becomes 20, and 4 5s are 20, remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0 means automatically the expansion should be terminating. Expansion should be terminating. So here value comes 2.25. So 4 can be written as a 2 square. So here if the value of q is equal to powers of 2, then automatically here the decimal expansion should be terminating. Okay, the first one clear. And next for second example, here 11 divided by 8. Check here second example, and here 11 should be divided by 8. So here 8 ones are 8, remainder is 3, decimal point 0, 8 3s are 24, remainder is 6, it becomes 60. So 8 sevens are, that is 56, remainder is 4, it becomes 40. Next 8 fives are, that is 40, remainder is 0. Once again remainder is 0 here, so it becomes terminating. The value it becomes here 1.375. But check the value of Q here 8. 8 is nothing but 2 raised to 3. Okay, if denominator is power of 2, power of 5 or power of both, then the expansion should be terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so the answer for this is the property of Q must be satisfied only when the Q must be equal to power of 2, already I told, power of 5 or power of both the numbers. So this is the answer, and these are the examples for clarification. Okay, you take other examples like this, 27 divided by 5. So here 27 divide. So 5 5 is 25, remaining 2, decimal point 0, 5 4 20, and remainder 0. Okay, take another example, that is 35 divided by 10. So it should be decimal point shifts, that becomes 3.5, once again terminating, and 10 can be written as a 2 into 5. So this is also in power of both here. Okay, 2 and 5. Okay, so here Q must be satisfied only the power of 2 or only the power of 5 or power of both the numbers. Okay.